If you want to change the lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all we can go to settings. Over here in settings, choose wallpaper and style. Then over here we're gonna choose change wallpapers. And now over here you can search for the wallpaper that you wish to use for your lock screen. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. We need to actually download this wallpaper to use it, but that is fine. So now once we select the wallpaper, we can choose where we want to apply it. Since we want to change it for the lock screen, I'm gonna apply it only for the lock screen. Hence I'm gonna tap on the home screen option to deactivate it. So now only lock screen is going to be affected, and there we go. You can also sometimes zoom in and zoom out depending if the wallpaper is interactive or not. Usually like static images can be adjusted, like photos and stuff. You can use the pinching gesture to zoom in and zoom out, and you can also drag your finger around to change the position of the wallpaper. Once you are done with the customization, you can tap on Done in the upper right corner. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.